Earthquake of magnitude 5 at 88 kilometers SW of Tarauaca, Brazil. Quake alert. A 5 magnitude earthquake occurred Acre, Brazil. Deep magnitude 5.2 quake hits 81 kilometers southwest of Tarauaca, Brazil in the morning. Time Friday the 11th of November 12:34 and 46 seconds. Local time at Epicenter, the 11th of November 7:34 a.m. GMT-5, status confirmed. Magnitude 5.2. Epicenter 81 kilometers southwest of Tarauaca, Acre, Brazil. Depth 627.0 kilometers, 390 miles, shocking very weak shocking. Felt 0 user reports. M5, Acre, Brazil.